The Moon, a cratered world about 3,84,400 kilometers from Earth, somehow not only controls key development on the planet but has also made us all eternally enamored by its bright appearance in the dark sky. But how did it come to be? The origin story by this natural satellite remains a mystery yet to be fully solved. Researchers have now developed a new theory that proposes that the moon was placed immediately into orbit after a giant impact between Earth and a Mars sized body known as Theia. Researchers from the Institute for Computational Cosmology at Durham University have created the highest resolution simulations yet of the violent event, which shows that the moon was created within hours when material from the Earth and Theia was launched directly into orbit after the impact. Researchers developed supercomputer simulations to study the moon's origin, which dates back about 4.5 billion years ago. The simulations were developed on Swift open source code to run hundreds of collisions at different impact angles, speeds, planet spins, masses, and more. Their findings have been published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, which states that giant impacts can immediately place a satellite with similar mass and iron content to the moon into orbit far outside Earth's Roche limit. Even satellites that initially pass within the Roche limit can reliably and predictably survive by being partially stripped and then togged onto wider stable orbits. The Roche limit is the distance from a celestial body within which a second celestial body can be held together by its own force of gravity. While previously prevailing theories could explain some aspects of the moon properties, the mystery has been why the composition of the moon is so similar to Earth's. The new study opens up a whole new range of possible starting places for the moon's evolution. NASA's Research Center said, "We went into this project not knowing exactly what the outcomes of these high resolution simulations would be. So, on top of the big eye opener that standard resolutions can give you misleading answers, it was extra exciting that the new results could include a tantalizingly moon like satellite in orbit." The study noted that while the moon is traditionally thought to have come from the debris ejected by a giant impact onto the early Earth, such models struggle to explain systems' angular momentum and the details of potential impact scenarios. This computational power revealed that lower resolution simulations can miss out on important aspects of large scale collisions, allowing us to see qualitatively new behaviors emerge in a way that wasn't possible in previous studies. The immediate satellite scenario opens up new possibilities for the initial lunar orbit and internal properties, researchers said in a statement. Researchers proposed that the new simulations could explain unsolved mysteries like the moon's titled orbit away from Earth's equator or even produce an early moon that is not fully molten, which some researchers propose could be a better match for its thin crust. NASA said that beyond simply learning more about moon, these studies can bring us closer to understanding how our own Earth became the life-harboring world it is today. While new theories emerge and humans plan to return to the moon, we are ever closer to solving the puzzle of the origin of the moon.